friends, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hello, welcome. I'm Kaiser, and if you're not, thank you so much for coming back and watching another video. Alright guys, so today's video is going to be me showing you guys how I achieve this flawless base. Now this is, you know, PSA, public service announcement. This really is a full coverage type of look. So if you're a type of girl that likes, you know, the simplicity, this is not the type of video for you. Let me just say that now before I start getting comments like, oh my gosh, that's a lot of makeup. Yes it is. Yes it is. But this is for my girls that like to take more than an hour on their looks, you know, or however quick you are with your makeup. Some people can take like real quick with their makeup. I'm not that type of girl. I wish I was. But yeah, this is for my girls that like to use a lot of products and brushes and makeup but still look flawless and seamless and not cakey. This video is for you. So if you want to know how I achieve this base, continue watching. Alright guys, so first things first, you gotta make sure your skin is prepped and ready, and my skin is. So I just did my skincare routine. If you guys want to know what my skincare routine is, I'll link it down below in the description bar, so make sure you check that out. But yeah, it's basically the same thing. Just gotta make sure it's hydrated, it's moisturized, it's cleaned and fresh. So I've done that. I'm now gonna go in straight into primer, which is the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. This primer is really good. It'll make your base stay intact all day and it won't budge and it will look poreless. So I'm just gonna apply that all over my face. Alright guys, so I feel like my primer is now nice and tacky, just how I like it. I always feel as if you should let your primer just sit in for a couple of seconds. And also another tip, don't apply primer when you've just applied moisturizer. Every time I do that, I feel like my moisturizer and primer just come back to each other and just clash. Make sure your primer is dry and synced into your skin before you go in with any sort of primer. So yeah, just a little tip. I'm now going to use my all-time favorite foundation. This is the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in the shade Macao, and I'm going to mix that with the NARS Orgasm Illuminator, and it looks like this. So I'm just going to mix these two together. This is my fave foundation duo, like ever. You guys probably already know because I use it all the time. And just apply that to my face. I'm now going to take my makeup sponge and blend all of that out. Okay guys, so that's foundation complete. I really love this foundation. I just think it looks so nice, so flawless. It just, oh, it's my fave. It really is my fave. So I'm now going to go in straight with concealer. So I'm now going to take the shade Chestnut and apply that underneath my eyes. I literally forgot to let you guys know what product this is. This is the TooFaced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. I live for this concealer. It is amazing. Just so full coverage, but it's not matte, it's not too drying, it's not too cakey. It's like the perfect concealer ever. I would recommend everyone go and purchase. It's just such an amazing formula. So I'm just going to apply that in all the places that I like to highlight, which is my chin area, my under eyes, my upper lip, nose and forehead, and sometimes under here to reverse contour. Just like that. I'm now going to blend it out with the tip of the makeup sponge. I'm now going to take the bottom of the sponge where there's leftover foundation just to press that in and mix it in with the concealer. Now that my concealer is setting into my skin, I'm going to use this TooFaced Born This Way Undetectable Medium to Full Coverage Foundation in the shade Hazelnut to contour. Now, I haven't used liquid or cream to contour my face in forever, but I've been really loving the way it just makes my makeup looks nowadays. I just look so bronzed and amazing, like if I just came back from holiday. I'm gonna put that around my cheeks. And again, blend that out. Just like that. So that's what this side is looking like. just like that. I'm now going to go in with one more concealer shade, which is the shade Butterscotch, just to brighten my under eyes just a little bit. Just like that. And I just want to just focus that right there. Alright guys, just like that. I'm now going to go straight into setting my under eyes. I'm going to use the Sacha Buttercup powder. So I'm going to tap, tap, tap. So this is what it looks like. It's a yellow powder. So I've set all the places I highlighted. I'm now going to take my Mercier powder and set everywhere else. Now this powder, I love it so much because again, it's close to my skin tone and it's just amazing. It's an amazing formula. Amazing, amazing powder. I'm just going to buff that out using this e.l.f. brush right here. Just ever so slightly. Just like that guys. I'm now going to add some color back into my face. Now a new fab of mine that I've been using is this Revolution powder by Patricia. So they collabed and made a beautiful face palette, and the bronzer shade in this, guys, I'm telling you, it was made for me. It was crafted for me. Like, I don't care. It really was, because it is my perfect shade. Such a beautiful shade. I'm just going to use that and just, you know, carve out my face and bring some life back into it, you know, bronze it up, make it look boom. Gonna add some warmth onto my nose. The way I always do this is the simplest way. Get a contour brush that's slanted like this and just tap on each side. Apply the excess onto your hands and just carve out your nose. I'm now going to blend this out, otherwise I'll just look like a crazy person. So I'm just going to take my Real Technique Face Expert brush. All my OG subscribers know me and this brush have a special place. We have a connection that's just unexplainable. It's an amazing brush. So I'm just going to use that to just blend out my nose contour and everywhere else. So this is what I'm looking like. Just for a bit of contour, I'm going to take my Hoola Toasted Bronzer. Again, I've been loving this recently as well. It's such an amazing bronzer. This is a deeper shade than the bronzer that I was just using, so it's just amazing for contour, and it's amazing for brown chocolate dark girls. So I'm just going to take the same brush right here and just tap ever so lightly. Just going to blend that out again. So this is what I'm looking like after I've applied the Hoola bronzer. Just gives me an extra depth of warmth. Now I'm going to take a little bit of the Mercier powder and I'm going to carve out my cheeks just a little bit, just to clean up the way I contoured. Just like that. I'm now going to brush that upwards so that it lifts my face and not drags it down. Alright guys, so my base is nearly completed, but a base cannot be complete without some blush. Now I love blush. I didn't used to use blush when I first started makeup, but now I've seen the light, I've seen the truth. Blush is that girl. My favourite blush to use is the NARS Wanted 2 palette, blush palette. Now they have a Wanted 1 palette and a Wanted 2 palette. This one is Wanted 2 because it's catered for deeper skin tones, and Wanted 1 is catered for lighter complexions. I'm going to use this shade right here, this beautiful pink shade, and just blush myself away. I just like to go all the way up to my eyebrows. Just like that. I'm going to blend it out again. Of course, because I can't be out here looking crazy, I'm going to take my e.l.f. brush again, the fluffy brush, and just blend that in. Just make it sink in, make it look good. Now for the final step. it is highlighter. Now highlighting is literally my fave thing ever. Again, if you're new to my channel, you don't know that, but I'm going to let you know. And for all the OGs out here, you know me and highlighting go a long way. Now I'm going to mix these two highlighters right here. This is the MAC Whisper of Guilt highlighter, and this is the Laura Mercier Seduction highlighter. I'm going to mix those two together. Highlighting my face just makes me so happy because I can see the look just finally coming together and it looks so good. Okay, I'm gonna do the other side. So I'm now gonna blend it out again with my Real Techniques Face Expert brush. Just like that, guys. So I literally always blend after every step, no matter if I'm using a sponge or a brush. I just always like everything to just sink in and just look seamless. I don't really like the whole harsh lines type of look. All right, guys, so it's now time to set my face, just so everything just looks flawless and perfect. I'm going to use this TooFaced Hangover 3-in-1 replenishing primer and setting spray. It looks like this. I love this setting spray so much. It really is like a fixer-upper, so the name is just so fitting. It really just fixes up your makeup, makes it alive, makes it awake. I'm now going to go in with my fan. Okay guys, so this is what I'm looking like after I've set my face, and literally setting your face is so key in making sure, you know, you look, you know, alive again and you don't look powdery and cakey. It literally just sets everything, makes everything look seamless and amazing. So yeah guys, this is what it's looking like. I really love the way I've been doing my base recently, and these are the products that I've been using to achieve my base recently. I haven't done a base makeup in so long and I really enjoyed it. I'm just going to go put some lashes on, do my lips, and I'll be right back to close this video. Alright guys, so this is the look complete. What do you guys think? I am loving my updated, you know, flawless base routine. I just love it so much. I feel like it just looks so, you know, radiant, flawless, and all seamless and all of that jazz. I just love it. So this is just how I've been achieving it. I wanted to record it for you guys today so you guys can see how I've been achieving my flawless base, because again, base makeup is really my favorite thing ever. It's literally something I'm always trying to improve on, so I just take a lot of time on it and it's really precious to me. Again, this isn't for, you know, the baby girls that like, you know, the light makeup, the 1 2 3 4 type of products on their face. This is for the girls that want that full beat but still want it to look, you know, radiant, don't want it to look too cakey. Guys, it's also flashback friendly. Let me show you guys. I'm gonna just large it up on the screen, but this is what it looks like. So cute. Love this look. So yeah guys, that's literally it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up. Also let me know if you want more in-depth type of videos like I did today in the comment section down below. And also, before you leave this video today, make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on the subscribe button, turn on the notification button so you're all set and alerted when I upload a new video all the time, so you never miss out. And yeah, I think that's it guys. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye friends.